Hey everyone, I'm starting my next project. It's a chair. I'm pretty excited about this one because of the last time I did those other two chairs, it went pretty smoothly and pretty easy. Just changed the legs and pulled the skirt off. This one doesn't even have a skirt. I bought it at a store called Restore that takes in old furniture and old building supplies from old either buildings that they took down or extra materials that they had. So I paid 45 bucks for it, which is a little, I feel like it's a little steep, but the reason I paid that was because it's a Drexel and the color was good. After I got it home, I did see some parts that looked like they might have had a cat or a dog scratching on it. So I'm gonna have to dress the little pills that pop up and see if I can't either cut them off or I don't know, we'll figure that part out. The cushions unzip, so I could probably throw those in the wash, and the rest of it I am probably just gonna have to use my spot cleaner to clean the rest of it. Mostly I think that's gonna be where my work is. I'm also gonna replace the feet on it because it's those old ball roll arounds, so I'm gonna put some legs on it like I did with the last flip or the last chair flip. Other than that, I'm excited to start this and hopefully flip it. Also, update: I sold the coffee bar within 45 minutes of putting it on Facebook Marketplace. So I'll have an update at the end of this video on how much it sold for, and then the total of where we're at. So that's exciting. Let's start this flip. Hi, if you're new to my channel, I've been flipping furniture so that I can save up enough money to take my wife on a trip for our 20th anniversary. If this is something that you enjoy watching, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you're seeing something that I could do to speed up the process or do something a little bit better. I sure would appreciate it. And thank you for watching. So I got the legs attached. It was fairly easy to attach them. Just it was like 3 screws. But the really easy part was when I got the old legs out, because they just popped out. It was super easy. And then the part that was inserted into it, I just wiggled it and then it came straight out. It was way easier than that other chair where I had to actually drill the inserts out. But what I'm really excited about was when I got it, I didn't notice that there was like some pet damage where cats had been scratching at the corners. But then I used this magical thing, and it took the little burrs and the little tufts straight off. It was like I just shaved them right off. So that made it. I was a little worried about that actually when I got it home and just noticed it for the first time. I started to panic, but that took them straight off. I mean, it was just like shaving. So I'm gonna wash the covers for the cushions, and right now I'm going to clean the rest of it with my Bissell little green clean. I don't know what it's called. You'll see it. Clean that all up, and I'll be about done. This thing is going very quickly and very smoothly. So let's get back to work. So this is where all the dirty water goes into. It gets into this, so I'm going to take it and empty it out and show you how dirty this chair was. So I got it all cleaned up using the Bissell Little Green. I think it got most of all the stains out. There was a little piece of some paint on the back. I don't know how paint got on it, but obviously I can't get it off with the scrubber, so I might just have to leave it. Other than that, I think it came out really well, especially getting all those little fluff ball from the cat scratching. I got all those off, so I saw a couple stains that I actually scrubbed out. So I'm gonna take it in the house, let it dry overnight, wash the covers, the cushion covers, let those dry them, and then tomorrow morning I should be able to put it all back together and stage it and get a really good look at it. So far, pretty good. These chairs, at least the ones I've done so far, have been very easy. And I mean these so far, I mean the two that I've done so far have been fairly easy. So, all right, so then we're just gonna let it dry, and we'll catch you in the morning. So everything dried out overnight. The chair looks really, really good. All the stains either are all the way gone or so light that you don't notice them. The cushion covers, I washed those, and those look great. They came out perfectly. I just need to put the cushions back in them, and that'll be good to go. Then I'm gonna set it up and take some pictures. So let's let's get to work. This is almost done. We're almost there. Let's go. So that's it, it's finished. One thing I didn't realize when I started flipping furniture was one danger. If your wife really wants the furniture piece you're flipping, probably have to give it to her. My wife fell in love with that chair, so she had a chair already in her office, which was like a 20-year-old lazy boy. So I switched that out, put the new chair in there, and then I'm pulling out the lazy boy. I'm gonna clean the lazy boy and then sell that. I should be able to sell it for about 200, 150, and make my wife very happy. So that was one of the dangers I didn't foresee with flipping furniture. Other than that, it went great, and I sold that coffee bar from last video. So I'm gonna go through and break down the price and then where we're at. Let's do that right now. Flip number 7 cost me $20 for the hutch, $5 for the stain. I already had the paint and the top coat, so that gave me a total of $25. It sold for $300, giving us a total profit of $275, which brings our grand total to $1,065. So I broke the $1,000 mark, which is amazing, and I feel like each time I do a flip, I make a little bit more money definitely making way more money than when I first started. So I think I've learned a ton. It's really exciting, and I'll see you on the next flip.